Enterprises today are drowning in repetitive tasks, scattered data, and slow decision-making. Traditional automation tools can't adapt, can't reason, and definitely can't scale with business complexity. This leads to delayed operations, higher costs, and missed business opportunities. In fast-moving markets, that's a serious disadvantage. That's where AI agents powered by GPT and LangChain come in. These intelligent systems don't just automate, they think, reason, and take actions. From handling customer queries to automating workflows and analyzing data, AI agents can work like a digital workforce for your business. By combining GPT's language intelligence with LangChain's orchestration, businesses can build AI agents that connect with APIs, tools, and internal systems. The result? Faster execution, reduced operational costs, and smarter business processes at scale. At NetSet Software, we help enterprises design and build custom AI agents fully aligned with your business workflows. From strategy to deployment, we create intelligent solutions that integrate seamlessly. Ready to build your AI workforce? Let's connect with NetSet Software.